Hey everyone, in this video we are going to cover two most popular types of databases, relational database and NoSQL database. Let's break them down and see what makes each one unique. First, let's talk about relational database, that is RDBMS. These are classic traditional type of database. They are built around the idea of tables. If you think about the relational database, it is a Gantt spreadsheet. Each table is a collection of rows and columns, and each row represents a record, while each column represents the data field. So for in the example, in the user table, name, age, gender, city is a columns, and the field value is a 25, and the particular row Bindu 20 female and Delhi, it's a particular row which will represent the specific user info. Some popular examples for relational databases are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Now let's dive into NoSQL database. NoSQL databases are more flexible and designed to handle variety of data types like unstructured data and semi-structured data. You won't be finding the strict tables, rows and columns. Here instead, NoSQL database uses a different formats like key value pairs and documents or the graphs. One of the most popular types of NoSQL database which is document based like Mongo DB. In this video, we covered what is relational database and NoSQL database. Relational database is used to store the structured data in the form of tables with rows and columns. Example, MySQL. A NoSQL database is used to store the unstructured data in the form of documents and collections. Example, MongoDB. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.